Good day, ma'am. My name is Mariel Dael, a BPA2C, and I would like to share with you the 4 questions that you have gave us. So, first is, what is ethics? Ethics is a moral principles that includes ideas about right and wrong and how people should or should not behave in general and specific cases, considering fair and unfair, and making choices that respect the right of others. So, number 2 is, what did you observe about how public officials or employees interacted with the public? So, based on how I observed, many public officials and employees are respectful and courteous when communicating with the public. Public officials and employees display respect, empathy, and courtesy, and they provide clear and accurate information, offer assistance and relief goods, and help with the problem resolution. So, number 3 is, did you notice any behavior that demonstrated ethical principles like fairness, honesty, or transparency? Yes, because in our Barangay Bukaon, barangay officials ensured that residents receive equal distribution of resources like relief goods, while leaders addressed problems in a fair and unbiased manner. And they also listening to both sides on the based on the evidence. So, ang example ani is respect for citizens' right. So, the barangay officials protected vulnerable population such as seniors and person with disability para ma-encourage sila sa community nga mag-participate in decision making para nga mas madunggan, madungog ang ilang tingog. So, bali nga i-prioritize ang mga seniors and PWDs. So, number 4, if you observe an ethical lapse, what do you think should have been done differently? So, as I have noticed, ethical lapses, example is katong naay cash assistance. Dayon, na po rin usa ka babae nga kanang imbes unta ako yung nauna, iya akong giulahi. So, mo to nga like, sa akong nabantayan nun is kanang wala siya nagkuhan og fairness. So, dapat unta nga fair, dapat equal ang tanan. Mas giuna pa niya tong ulahi kaysa sa ako ang nauna. Ang ako lang maikuan is kanang dapat naagi fairness, equal ang matag usa. Maura to siya, ma'am. Thank you.